All right, welcome. I know it's been long. You saw me on this kind of title, Amazon KDP and self publishing. Okay, it's because this channel is mainly tech channel. All right, we touch up other areas like self publishing. Okay, and today I decided to show up again in this area of interest, which is on why you don't make sales on Amazon KDP. Okay, and I believe we learned something from here. One of the reasons why you don't make sales is because you are writing the wrong thing. Yes, I was writing the wrong thing for more than 6 years on Amazon KDP. Yes, that was me. All right, I was writing the wrong thing for more than 6 years on Amazon KDP until I decided or knew what works, what the people want to read. Well, okay, and I started, going into that. If you even search on Google right now, importance of youth empowerment, that was one of the wrong things I was writing with my local name. So if you search it right now on Google, importance of youth empowerment, you see one of my book on that on Amazon, the one leading to Amazon. You click, you see it. So all those stuff, talk about Nigerian politics, young fraudsters and the rest, they were not making money for me because I didn't know really this is not what is working here. All right, you are writing for Americans, for people in Europe. It never occurred to me. So I was just writing basic things that you could find everywhere on the internet. All right. So if your book you have written, the books you have written are not making sales, you need to make research on the books that are selling on Amazon. I'll try and link a video I did on keyword research. I will go a long way to help you so that you use that to research on the books that are doing well on Amazon. Okay? And since I went into tech mainly on Amazon. I'm making a lot of money. All right. I've made $1,500, $1,800 in 1 month. So know what they want, what the people in America, Europe want to read, and write on that. That's the first stage of making money on Amazon KDP so that your book will start selling, so that you start making sales on Amazon. You may need to learn new skills for that to work for you because for me, I learned a different new skills, different areas in tech, and to today I'm still learning. That was when I started seeing progress. I started making real money on Amazon till date. All right, after this first point, okay, which like I will say contributes to 80% of why you're not making sales on Amazon KDP, which is writing what people don't like to read. The second point, the second reason you don't make money or you don't make sales on Amazon KDP is because you write books that are of poor quality, low quality books. All right? Stop that. How can you just go there and just write a book of 24 pages and you expect you append maybe $15.99 on it? Who throws money away? Nobody will buy that from you and you will not make sales. Okay? I think one of the recent videos I created here on Amazon KDP talks about you should stop publishing pamphlets. That may be another reason why you're not making money. If you're making pamphlets, if you're making books that are of low pages, maybe 24 pages, 30 pages, 40 pages, you're not going anywhere. Or sorry to say, you're not going anywhere because people want value. And what value do you have for them in 24 pages book? A book of 24 pages. If you like, when somebody looks at that and check out the price, okay, he says 10.99 or $11.99. To him, if you like, I can't pay this money for this kind of little package. What will I get from that? So stop writing poor quality books. When you want to write books. When you want to write a book, write a quality book. Are you getting it? Don't go there now. Okay, somebody came to Amazon KDP community last time, was complaining he doesn't make sales. And when one of the community members said, okay, let's see your book, give us a link leading to your book on Amazon, she dropped that. And when I checked, it was something of 25 pages, something I can find in Google, just like that. You're telling me to go and buy and give you money. And people started saying that's not what works here. That's not how to make money on Amazon. And you have the price to be $15.99. I think people, Americans pick money on the street and come and throw it away. So improve on the quality of your book, then you make sell. When you want to write a book, research on that area. At least come up with nothing less than 70 pages. That's what we call a book. That's what we call a textbook. All right, come up with something reasonable. I know, I said before, I was once there and I was complaining like some of you guys that will say you don't make sales. Well, this is one of the reasons why I was not making sales. Because then I wrote a book of 30 pages, 40 pages, and I thought Americans dash people money. They give people money freely. I published. Amazon KDP will allow you to publish. But when you publish, what happens next? Nothing. So improve on the quality of your book. Write quality book that solve problems for people. I have a book I'm working on for more than 1 month now. It's about 125 pages now, and I'm still bringing up ideas, facts, information that will help the reader. That's what a book is, and not 24 pages. Another point why you are not making sales on Amazon KDP is season. Yes. When many beginners get into the system, they fail to understand that there are seasons for book sales. Currently, right now, we are in the month of September. All right, things are not high now. Things are not bubbling on Amazon right now. So your book sales drop June, July, August mainly. Man, it's usually bad. So if you are not seeing sales right now that I'm talking to you, which is on September 2025, know that one of the reasons is because of season. This is not season of book sales. And that's why I'm putting much effort on Amazon on YouTube right now. Okay? That's why I'm putting more effort on YouTube because things are going well here right now. Sales are coming in. In fact, royalty, let me not call it sale, royalties are up here at this point of the year. So people are watching more videos. I'm getting more money from ads revenue from Google AdSense. So season is another factor. But by the time we get to November, December, January, February, March, everything kicks off again and you start seeing good money. So season can be a contributing factor why you are not making sales on Amazon KDP. The another point reason here is poor networking. Yes, when you network poorly, you will not make money. That's the truth. Let me break it down. Amazon in the recent time introduced what they call A plus content that will allow you to connect your related books. All right. Most all your books will not perform equally. One must outperform others. And when that one outperforms others and is written under one pen name with other books, when you network with them, the positive impact of the one doing well may affect the other ones positively. And from there, you start making more money. And that's why I say networking. All right. Here also you can, use your Facebook if you're in America and your American social media handles to do what? To market your book. I use YouTube to market my book. Yeah. Tell them about that. All right. Let them go and buy. And that's why I like YouTube. You build audience. All right. You build audience that will help promote your business in the future or currently. Okay. So that's it. Then the last point why your book may not be selling, it's not selling Amazon KDP, is poor cover. Make your cover attracting and you will make money. So these are my points. So if you like this content, hit the like button or even ask question. It won't take anything, I'll answer you. All right? We are here to help you. So Leave a comment and hit the like button if you have not done that. And you can check out this video more to learn more on Amazon KDP. Thank you. I'll see you some other time.